This Christmas, you have the chance to make a real difference. Union Church of Manila invites you to join Love in a Bag, our Christmas giving project, inspired by Matthew 25, verse 40. Whatever you did for one of these brothers and sisters of mine, you did for me. This year, we are reaching out to families impacted by recent storms and floods. With just 1,000 pesos, you can send your love in the form of Noche Buena groceries, nutritious meal packs, and a Bible to families in need. And the best part? You can donate to as many families as your heart desires. Our beneficiaries come from communities served by the Philippine Children's Ministries Network and the Philippine Bible Society Word Writers. There are two simple ways to give. First, visit the Missions and Benevolence Ministry table in the Fellowship Hall on Sundays after the 8:30 a.m. or 10:30 a.m. services from October 27 to December 1. Second, donate online by visiting donate.unionchurch.ph. Select the Love in a Bag campaign and fill out your donation details. This Christmas, let's come together to spread love, joy, and hope to those who need it most. Thank you for being part of Love in a Bag.